Hi, I'm Shawn and I'm your bar instructor for today. I started off in the bar industry in 2009. I am a 3-time Malaysia Diageo champion. Diageo is actually one of the largest bartending competitions in the world, and I've been the Malaysian champion 3 times in 2009, 2011 and 2015. This is going to be an interesting course where I'm going to take you through some basic bartending techniques, which encompasses some preparation and also cocktail making techniques. What I'm bringing to this course is my 12 years of experience in the bar that I'm going to share with you. So I'll be going through 2 sets of techniques in this course. The first will be the mise en place techniques. I'll be teaching you how to make sugar syrup, how to squeeze juice. I'll also be talking a little bit about ice. And then we'll proceed to the actual cocktail making techniques, which I'll be using cocktails to demonstrate to you how to apply the build technique, the stir technique, the shaken technique with 2 different shakers, and also the throw technique. I hope that with all my experience that you'll be able to learn something from this course. I'm Shawn and I'm your bar instructor for today. Join me at Craftla.